Asebono iga a baseline survey neri yakoletu in 2012.
Yes.
A baseline survey igakoru 2012. Na a baseline survey yakoletu neri shirika lile Kenya gali korukwa National Strategic Plan for Controlling of Tropical Neglected Diseases. Baseline ina yakoletu 2012. Ekerowanya kora igikorukuna neglected tropical diseases in 2012. Ikalia rising abana bale ichukuru no bali baleka ebagutwara ugutakina kurokuya asenji byanda. Baseline survey inawya sogeti amachibwa yale na koruabu ekero ya soko check ngabana mbalenga bale right now bone tuachire bakase Kenya stwikire bono iga currently umuraria the population ya Kenya is 50 million. Average na utokubeka ngetora around 50 million. Out of the 50 million a report yego tebanga abana bale 5 million they ever at risk yo twalibian abana 5 million in Kenya out of 50 million
population ya Kenya.
Yes, ya Kenya.
Yeah.
Abana 5 million are at risk yo gutwara ebyanda. Ne byande 5 abali babugate 5 bari at risk of 5 gutwara ebyanda of 5 million ne byanda biri bikorukwa soil transmitted helmets or parasites. 5 million. Na abana bande bali 7 million bali in Kenya, which means the total number ya abana bari at risk is
actually 12 million.
12 million. Bari at risk yo gutwara ebyanda. Aba 7 million imbali bara at risk yo gutwara ebyanda biri bikorukwa birasi. Yes, birasi. Bono tubwate bono kitabout arakabere tukuruwani bono yi. Abana bali babwate ebyanda biri soil transmitted disease no parasites. Na bali babwate water transmitted parasites bikorukwa birasi. Which means that is a serious concern. As a means une county as well as health ministry as well as education ministry. Na kitu achire no yonto chaliziga to tebya abantu baminto ngaki ekero to gwake kokeye igoriye byanda tari tuwaje kugwana igoriye byanda bosaiwa ni byanda
igaso murigiriro turigireti andako mwana yana baraba in the bracket of 12 million bali bakagire konyoli byande biga chisemara kabiri.
Indeed. That is right actually moralia. And of course ekero no kuligiri the proportion of the 5 million and the 7 million there is a high likelihood probability rigor as abana ikomi abana almost like 3-4 or 5
babwate
byande byo mwana abwate muibuli tabimanyiti. So the best is omuibuli ateke responsibility yo ko make sure ngaki at least umwana oye di tukiria kero national school based warming sisijo kokoru umwana ochiro ikirese school ase chinta terejijo korugu no mwana yonyole chinta terejo konya koereza toli guturumbuka kolengana nga chinta tereji nga kijijo korugu